Can you imagine it was my first time using in ear
in ear?
Yeah.
Serious?
Like you stage baba ngiyashaya.
Wena
kukhuluma la endlebeni yami. Hayi, I understand. Preach. Preach kanjani manje lapha? Ngapha baxoxa 7 5. Hayi baba khuphuka 6. Abasha. Lezi zinto besizikhiphile.
Yeah. Live on KKFM, man. We here, buddy. It's another day, another dollar. We here, bro. We here, bro. You know the story. You know the story. Here's your host, man, KK Mogompahlele, and I'm with my producer there, Tevzin. You know the story. So, as you know, we bring you different people from different industries and all over the country and all that. Do you wanna know who are we having today, man? You're not ready. So yes, today we're having the Bishop of the Apostle, the whole fivefold ministry. So today we're having our guest. It's Mzwakhe Ngubeni. Can you give him is it a round of applause, man? Yeah. Shayzandla. First of all, man, I'd like to appreciate Ngibonge mfethu ukuthi usivakashele kwa KKFM. It really means a lot. We appreciate ukuthi kule schedule busy kangaka and you squeeze us in. We really appreciate, man. So see madoda beThekwini ke la bathi hey asidlule ngapha. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah. Ninjani baba, ninjani?
No, greetings. Siyaphila mfethu, siyaphila. We
yes.
So happy sikhona.
Yes.
Sifike kahle and excited.
Yeah. So today we here how's the journey, man? You coming from KZN to here? I can say you're from KZN.
No.
Yeah, how's that? Yes.
Sibekweni ilokishini elincane kakhulu bathi Hitleberg.
Okay.
That's why it is the last town.
Yeah.
When you go to Durban.
Durban, yes.
Yeah, no, it was good, but challenges
nyara.
Endleleni sifuna ukusivimba.
Yeah.
Ukuthi singafika and hayi sofika.
Indoda ekhulekayo.
Hayi mamela. Siza nobuthathu, siza nabo. But
yeah.
And
This is dope, man. This is dope. And we really appreciate. So if I may ask, let's start here. Who's Mzwakhe, man? Mzwakhe ubani? Where are you from? Kwenzakala?
Simple kakhulu Mzwakhe mfethu. As I said, Mzwakhe ngokaNgubeni.
Yes.
Isibongo ngumdumisi basho njalo.
Yes.
Simple leyo.
Yeah.
Ngoba phela basijaja masithi sima artist. Ngumzwakhe ngumdumisi.
Sabe invoice.
Yeah, me worship la ngikhonza khona. Ngiyaseva kakhulu.
Yes.
I'm not even a worship team leader, yabona?
Oh.
Nami ngiyacula nje.
Yeah.
And uNkulunkulu wangibusisa ke nami kule ndimanyana bayibiza ukuthi the music industry.
Yes.
And so far so good, man.
Yeah. Ngiyapushe.
Cool.
Yeah. So ukhulele kuphi mfethu if I may ask?
Hey mfethu. Hey Jenny ne?
Yeah. People don't want to know. Abantu bafuna ukwazi KKFM ukuthi.
Asicale vele mase kuveliwe.
Yes.
Ngifunde there's a location abayibiza ukuthi kuseDuduza.
Okay.
That's where I did my lower grade and high school.
Oh, okay.
And then after that I moved to Heidelberg.
Oh, okay.
And then Heidelberg ke
Yangmonca.
Yeah. And Heidelberg kula ngasindiswa khona.
Thank you so much Heidelberg.
Lento le.
Yeah.
eDuduza bengisese umntana omjito wesigelo store.
Yeah. Bowenzani?
Mangifike eHeidelberg.
Yeah.
Kula ngasindiswa khona there's a church there but the Faith Mission.
Okay.
Yeah, ngasindiswa lapho.
Oh, Faith Mission. Yes.
Yeah, and then the rest is history.
Yeah. Uthi bokanga bowenzani?
Nje.
Oh, lokho umntwana.
Yeah, teenager stage nje sise busy.
Yeah, ukwawasha mhlawumbe. Ukwawasha mhlawumbe.
Sike sajika nje.
Hayi serious?
Hey, mfethu.
Hayi, ukwenzakalani? Bikwenzekeni?
Hayi kuleka.
Yeah.
But nje,
yabona. Yeah. No, people must know ukuthi if you're dealing with Mzwakhe mhlambe hey ngamsukeli ke ngajike edanyani.
No.
Yeah.
Not ngaleyo indlela le but ke.
Okay.
Yeah, but sometimes but
yeah.
But icala leyivula ingubo lingene isizulu.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll find
what does that mean?
Chaza ukuthi you can find yourself enkingeni ungenzanga lutho. Yeah, ungaba endaweni wrong esikhathi
yeah.
And ifanele ngaleso sikhathi. Until you are proven.
Until you are proven not guilty. And sinabo abaningi abaleya ndawo abangenzanga lutho.
Baningi kakhulu, trust me.
Baningi kakhulu. It's bad, man. It's bad. Yeah. And then uyakhula. And when did you start because usindiswe at a teenage stage and when did you decide to uqale nokucula? Let's start there.
I can't remember the year.
Yeah.
But obviously ngisindiswe ukuthi vele bese ngikule industry yamakhwaya then from esikolweni, you know, doing the opera and tontoni.
Yes.
Yazi khulile esikolweni ucula ngenkani.
Yeah.
As long as you have a voice,
must sing. Yes.
So and then after scale as I said ngahamba ngayohlala eHickleback, that's when ngeke ngasindiswa. I joined the worship team. And since I've been doing this and then until I get an opportunity to do some backings for few musicians. So from then
Yeah. So you started singing at a teenage stage and therefore esikolweni you shay opera.
Yeah, I did opera.
Usawazishana manje.
Manje. Mfana manje ayikebox ayaloka. Manje kulezinto esidlayo. Manje mkhula manje.
Yeah. And therefore what was happening, or when was it when you say actually, you know what, my music career started here? Kuqale la career yami yomculo.
My first album I did 2019.
2019, okay.
That's when I recorded my album. Even though
you have an album?
Yeah, but I haven't released. Never released 2 songs.
2 songs, okay. Yeah.
But before then, you know, I did a recording and just we record we keep.
Yes.
So then 2019 being Sepulukwane, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
That's when I got an opportunity because being young I didn't perform.
Okay.
And then I got lucky. Got told there was a guy there.
Yeah.
So he was blessed and I turned and on the day. And then I was like, you know, that before you go back home, why can't you just go and do something? And then that's when I recorded my 10 album.
10 songs album.
10 song album, and then from then I'm cool Mamel.
How old are you?
Yay!
How old are you?
2019.
Yes.
Hey, it was bad. I'm cool.
Yeah.
Sesikhulile.
Yes.
2019, 2021.
So he's the one who paid
everything
for your album.
Everything, man. Yeah, the album is beautiful.
How much was it? How much was the album to record it? Plus minus.
Man, calculator now.
Yes.
Because per song, I think you were paying something like 200 per song.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's studio time, I don't know how much was it. But 200 per song.
Yes.
Askafagi mastering, askafagi mixing.
Yeah.
Askafagi lezo zinto. So just to record that song. 200.
Yeah.
So 10 songs obviously. How much? 1,000, 2,000.
Yeah.
And then mixing, how much was it?
Yeah.
Mastering, how much? I don't know.
Yes.
But ikijima lapho. And then sazobhatala band, sazobhatala BVs.
Yeah.
Yabona?
Who were playing there? Who were singing there? Who were baking there?
Oh man, there's a lady about tap sing.
Yes.
Ivoice yakhe igcwele kakhulu ke, especially kwa artist wase KZN abo Dumi nabo banibani. She's singing this Phuthuma soprano.
Oh.
She's amazing.
Yeah.
And then there's a guy about Thabo from that side ke. And then there was a lady who was doing alto.
Yes.
Na was that side. Tap sing is a special cause I know her sound. So
okay.
She had to come from this side and come to
Polokwane
and do the baking.
So labanye na utawubaz, who gathered them?
They produce.
Who was producing?
There's a guy about Laz.
Okay.
Yeah, Kamala Laz from Lamuza Production.
Okay.
Yes, a Polokwane.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a big.
He's still working even now.
Yeah, even now.
Yeah. Where's the album? Is it out or is
no?
Yeah.
But I just released 2 songs from the album. Hanje. Asimela siniphe kakhulu man. Nasukenidle bese nasuta. Bese
so manje wenzani? Urelease kancane since from 2019.
Can you imagine ukuthi anga release since I released Umusa
Yes.
Did very well.
Yes.
I released Engimbonile.
Yes.
Did very well. I released Ubuhle Bezulu.
Yes.
But I blame myself there because I didn't push the song. I just released the
Ubuhle Bezulu. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, so those ingoma lezo khuluma ngazo manje ama single or it's one of the
it's
songs
from
that
the album.
Oh, it's from the album.
It's from the
Then
album.
lezi zinye
Sahleli ngizozibona isikhathi mase si right.
zini kudinga ukuthi kusetshenzwe
No,
kuzona noma
like it's the album that I can even release anytime.
Oh,
it's done.
okay.
Artwork,
Yes.
mastering, registration and everything is
Yes.
fine.
Yes.
Yimi nje. Yimi nje.
Ngiyafisa ukwazi.
Yeah,
uNkulunkulu akavumanga.
Not
Isikhathi
really.
sikafiki.
uNkulunkulu singabomblame kakhulu. Not really.
Yeah.
uNkulunkulu singabomfaka entweni ezikamfundi.
Isikamfundi, yeah.
It's me being lazy.
Oh.
Yeah, let me put it straight.
Yo.
Ngisuke ngaba lazy kakhulu, ngafocus kakhulu in terms of performing,
Yes.
branding myself.
Yes.
Putting my name out there.
Yes.
Making contact, making a lot of things so that don't just release, man.
Yeah.
Asikwazi ubani.
Uban, true.
So you just need to connect leyo nto leyo, find yourself abantu abasharp.
Yeah.
Who will help you to put umsebenzi wakho la mele ube khona.
Yeah.
And then you best release.
Yes. But manje siyakwazi unga release. Or you feel like you're not there yet.
No, aningazi. Angakaziwa.
Like now the number of people who are watching this, they know you. They know you, eh? But maybe when you feel like awafika ngapha.
No, I feel good. I still need to run.
Yeah. Okay.
Ne?
All right. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Sifikile la sifuna ukufika khona lapho nalapho.
Yeah.
But ngizo release.
Yeah.
Definitely. Trust me.
Yeah.
Ukudla khona.
Yes.
I just need to kuphakela abantu into ekhona.
Yeah.
I'm telling you nizoyithanda lento ezayo. But
yes.
Khathela ukuthethiswa yabo.
Yeah.
But you are relaxed. But I'm not relaxed, man.
Yeah.
Like I'm pushing, trust me.
Yes.
Know, we get a dealer right. We go places. We express a lot of
Yeah.
So that must be gather another project.
Yeah.
Maningi ngoma ngizenzile mngana I'm trust me.
Yeah.
It's just that nje inkinga yimi.
Oh, inkinga nawo kahle.
Mele ngirelease.
Mele release. Yeah.
Mina ngisajabulisa traveling yabona.
Yes.
Saqhaza ukuperform.
Performer.
And meet new people.
Yeah.
Lezo ukuthi mina ngiye studio and ngiyocala phansi. Nazi ingoma mos. Ngizorelease man.
Yeah.
Let me just deal with the foundation first.
The foundation first.
So that when I lay
that
double story ngazi ukuthi angeke ibe shake.
Yeah. Do you think that's a strategy that you feel like if each and every musician can or it's a formula that each and every musician can follow, it can work for them, or
I don't know.
You don't know, ne?
I don't. As in identify especially more independent. Capital is a problem.
Capital is a problem. Yes.
So you need to make sure that your foundation is strong.
It's strong, yeah.
So that and you have you create friendships.
Yes.
They are there.
Yes.
So that when the time is right, you need to.
Yeah.
At least I know what in KKFM.
Yes.
I'm gonna drop my EP.
Yes.
Definitely, they're gonna give me a slot for interview because now I have friends there. I go to a certain radio station. I have a friend, a compiler. You need to have all these things so that when you release, it's easy for you to just make a phone call. There's a baby here. That needs to be pampered, and then. It's very simple. Because more independent one, you can't pay PR companies, man. Do you know how much it is to pay a PR company to push your job like a project?
It can be expensive.
But 20,000 upfront. We thought of 20,000 upfront. Something I got patale. Oh yes, my sample. Mara PR we can push this thing.
Yes.
But your registration fees 20,000.
Yeah.
And then there will be some fees. For distribution, what?
Yo, it's too much, eh?
Ngapha wazi ukuthi irisa yenziwa phi. Awazi sampra yini. Awazi kaphaso.
But you want to,
you must know yonke lento le.
Yes.
And then you must invest food.
Yes.
Phela ukrecord kufuna imali.
Yeah. So going back a little bit. So if like when you were growing up, what kind of a background are you coming from, man, in terms of your family background?
My family is very small.
Yeah.
It's very small.
But
no, ikhona family. It's like
yeah.
But get us bancane kakhulu because C2 is me and my brother, my mom, my dad, but he passed on already. And then mina ngakhulisa umama vele. Time uyazi ke balu basebenza le.
Yeah.
But but my background nje ilapho. My mom she can sing.
Yeah.
Because her family, they can sing. The lady Vyomkwen is my brother's mom.
Oh,
so
serious?
Yeah. So the family they have it.
So you're a nephew to Vyomkwen.
Yeah.
Ah, man. Oh, that's dope. Unkosana umangela ngathi akayazi ndaba le. Yintsha. Oh,
yeah.
So, but how was the support when you started singing from your family?
If it doesn't mean I get excellent about pay attention to such things.
Oh, okay.
All right. The thing about my mom is that she will support whatever that makes you happy.
Oh, yes. If
you feel good when you want to do this, then.
Okay, yeah. Apologies about that. Yes.
Yeah, so mina nje, to be honest with you, mina angazi ngithole challenge ebhaya ukuthi hey githi manje hey.
Yeah.
They are not supporting me. No.
Yeah.
Even if besides the family, people who surround me, man.
Yes.
They are very supportive, trust me.
Yeah.
Mina nje uNkulunkulu wangiblessa nabantu ukuthi they want to see this thing moving.
Yeah.
Even if it's not financial.
Yes.
But nje when I shout I know ukuthi someone will respond. So now the goal is keep on.
Yeah. You've pushed, man, on your music career, and you are where you are now. Who would you say that at this point? I know everyone you appreciate in your career, but at this point, man, these people they played a big role in my music career, or for me to be at the point that I am.
Oh.
After God, I know. After God, yes.
Yeah. Ish. But I don't know where to start, man.
Yeah.
I don't know where to start.
Yes.
Because man, there are a lot of people who abafaka isandla.
Yeah.
And abanye they were even not aware ukuthi bafaka isandla. Yeah. Omunye umuntu abakuthi uyenza nje because of doing, but mina I'm learning.
Yes.
So I can't name them because baningi.
Yeah.
So I feel ukuthi ngizoshiya abanye
move.
Sensitive ndo.
Yeah.
So mina thank God ngabangani. My friends men are so supportive.
Yes.
And then nabanye ke sibabiza ukuthi
ama mentor. Yes.
People esibhekela kubona. Uyabona, so man, they playing a huge.
Who's one artist that you'd say, hey, this one he's inspiring me, man?
Obviously it's my uncle. Akekho umunye umuntu.
Vyomkwen.
Akekho umunye. Besides Giabolet Vyomkwen.
Yes.
Who else? And then again, Amajita get about doing and stuff.
Yeah,
people who are passionate of what they're doing, man.
Yes.
Yeah, we're looking.
And
we're coming.
Yeah,
definitely, man.
Yeah.
Actually, we are there. It's just it's a matter of time.
It's a matter of time.
Yeah,
yes.
we are there.
Yes.
Yeah, we are there.
Are you still at Faith? Is it?
No,
Faith?
no. I'm not. Angike Faith. Angike Faith. Now I'm say assemblies.
Assemblies of God. Okay.
Yeah, in Heidelberg.
Okay.
Yeah,
yes.
Angithandi mina.
Yeah.
Mangifike ngiyahlala.
Yeah. So you just sing there. Are you a pastor?
No, I'm not a pastor.
Hey, you look like a pastor.
Oh, bo. Yasinda le.
Yeah.
Yena ngiphethe ubuthathu.
Yes, bezulu. Yeah.
When you cough, you cough.
Yeah.
So you need to be careful.
Yes.
Yeah.
And therefore you push. Now you have the is it Ngubeni Legacy? What
Zwakhe Ngubeni Legacy.
Ngubeni Legacy. What's that?
That's my organization.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my organization.
Yeah.
Bengivule because of trying to at least give upcoming artists the opportunity to showcase what they have.
Yes.
Groups or whatever, as long as it's art.
Yes.
Yeah, so but uyazi ke into song lezi fana nalezi hlushwa
my fans. Yes.
But we trust God ukuthi yeah.
How is it pushing but then at the moment?
I only did I think 1 or 2 shows if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
But at that time I wasn't looking for much. I just wanted to give them a platform and say thank you with whatever I was having at that time.
Yes.
So ngibonile nje ukuthi it's going to be nice if ngingaqinisa on the capital side.
Yes.
For it to run.
Yeah, it needs capital.
Yeah, you must have financially, yabo.
Yeah.
So, it's South Africa. So
what is that you need to do, man, in terms of for you to have that capital or to fund?
I'm sure I remember when you have an MPO.
Yes.
You must write for organizations like Abo NEC, Lotari Ntontoni wonke izinto lezi art and culture and stuff.
Yes.
So in fact as ngisho kwena ukuthi sise South Africa you can write as many proposals as you can.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So but we are writing the proposals.
Yeah, you must write applications, more
yes.
Puma.
Yeah.
And cross fingers they might review yours.
Yes.
And you must ask you need to 10 rand but vele bakunika 3 rand.
3 rand.
You know. And kulo 3 rand le moto check lento leyo vele iphelele ku stationery or ku office what
yes.
So awusafikanga ku purpose ofuna kuyenza to go out there and you know but we're trying to expand it now.
Yeah.
We're focusing on the entertainment side.
Yes, okay.
And try to go to all ages and stuff.
Oh,
so
okay. Yes.
Ukuthi Christmas ngathola nje
izo city. Yeah. Kahle kahle businessman kahle.
Hayi yabona manje ukhuluma into enamandla.
Yeah, kahle businessman. Receive.
Yeah, ngiyareceive ngiyizwa lento. Yeah, ngiyizwa.
Yeah,
ngiyizwa, yeah.
And you're on Sonic Gospel Choir, bro.
Mamela. Silapho.
Yeah. You're on Sonic Gospel Choir and they recently recorded was it your first time or you've already you have been a Sonic Gospel Choir?
No, it was my first time.
Okay.
It was my first time.
Oh.
Yeah, it was my first time.
Oh, so
especially on this project.
Yes.
Man, it was my first time.
Oh, that's
the experience was amazing.
Yeah.
The experience was amazing.
How was the experience, man? Let's talk about you from the auditions and all that. Just take us from the starting point up for you to end up with Sonic Gospel Choir.
Okay. There was a guy about Kumalo. He's a pastor on Lama branch way GNF.
Okay.
So that guy was with Itwane.
Okay.
I don't know what he was doing there.
Okay.
But the guy with Itwane and then Magpuma auditions.
Yes.
And then he was like, send that post book send a clip or something.
Oh yes.
And then what ended up send your video and see if maybe.
Yeah.
I did that. Boom. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
All right. I'm invited to come Pretoria. Oh.
Yeah.
That's when I meet Nkosana again.
Oh yes.
Yeah. I think I went to Nkosana.
Yes.
And I to the outside. We spoke and then that was the day that the Lord has made for us. We to know Mamelan. Lana Natatu.
Yes.
And then we went there. Oh, the audition was so frustrating.
Yes.
And the people are singing.
Awukosana they are singing.
Mamela. Abukosana bazolo bakhohlisa la bathi untwana yangazi. Makafika lapha yana yo
ukhiphe into.
I was like this guy.
Yeah.
Unkosana bekho right.
Yeah.
Unkosana vela ngabona ucula la kuthatha.
Yeah.
But ke when it's time, man.
Yes.
We did to whatever we can.
Yeah.
Here we are today.
And you went to the audition and then they took you.
Yeah,
how's the preparations for the show, man?
Yo. I never knew about Montana, but Meaning be citizen.
Yeah. Go back.
Because of its one.
Yeah,
we traveled a lot, man.
Yes.
Coming here.
Yo.
And it was hectic. Yeah, it was hectic. But it was easy at the same time.
Yeah.
Because we know why we came.
Yes.
For,
they were funding though.
Yeah, we can say yes.
Why would you can say yes?
Oh,
okay. Yes.
Yeah, you need to say thank you, even if you see with doesn't even meet.
Yeah.
Half of things that I need to do.
Yes. I mean, in terms of you coming to the results and whatnot, the transportation they were.
I'm talking about that.
Oh, yes.
They do, but
yeah.
It's better when you're using public than driving.
Oh, and you're driving,
yes. Yeah, when you use public, it's easier because you can. But it's late.
Yeah.
So you can't request from here to where you stay. It's very expensive. But man, other than that, the experience is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah, you've met different people.
You learn.
Yeah.
You learn, man.
Yes.
Man, learn should be a guy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yini lebongayazi kahle.
Esning, man.
Yeah.
Yabona lento lezi. We queue in.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Can you imagine it was my first time using in ear?
In ear?
Yeah.
Serious?
Like you stage baba ngiyashaya. Wena kunokhuluma la endlebeni yami. Hayi, I understand nento. Hayi.
Ukhuluma uthini endlebeni yami?
Verse. Intro. What? All right.
And unindoda emzulu bakhuluma endlebeni.
Preach. Preach kanjani manje lapha? lapho ndoda you need to not forget ama lyrics. You must know ukuthi wena i-bridge likuphi ngena nini. I-interpret ngapha bayaxoxa 7-5. Hayi baba khuphuka 6. Yeah. You know what? So you need to adjust, man.
Yes.
Because we use it. But if you can notice, bonke abantu beba lead on the day.
Yes.
Abasha. Lezinto besizikhiphile.
Yeah.
Because you disturb bonent. Ngeke ngithi ndoda ngapha ngithuswa yini. Ngapha bayaxoxa. 4. Preach. Verse. Yo. Uyabona ukuthi ayinakathele inketho. Ngapha usathukile. Uthukile uyachachazela.
Bona benzani?
Unalento uthi yabona mangazibona sengicedile.
Yeah.
Ngapha isound likupha ama problems. Uyabona ukuthi uyi-1 stage.
Uyi-1 stage.
Shuthi yakhe lapha yana singawanga. Hey. Yabona lapha ya. Yeah, njalo mkhulu. Yazi nje izinto zimnandi masisidekelele.
Yeah.
Yo. Uyafeel ukuthi yabona le inhliziyo iyama. Uthirst ngathi ungavela ucela amanzi khona lapho on spot ukuthi guys can I have water. Yeah. Amanzi emlonyeni mkhulu mamela.
Yeah.
And manje udeliver people babhadalile baba.
Yes.
Yeah, theater igcwele.
Igcwele.
Uthuka kanjani sila? Hey, lo muntu wenzani? Siphathele la.
Yo.
Awukho shona ngengoma yakho. Kunjela nyapi la. Hey nabo babhukile ngapha.
Yeah. Babhizi endlebeni.
Yeah. One more time. Uyabona ukuthi yabona labadika ngami la.
Manje kugcina usikhipha lezi.
No, keeper lezi because manje I know the structure.
Yes.
Yeah, no, I know the structure. But manje ingoma mase ichubeka phela lento mele ubusele because manje you're not sure.
You're not sure ukuthi
ayisabuyeli. Bathe yabona ngcono ngiyeke. Mina ngiyazi ngoma emphelele lapha. Mayiphela nyahlika. Bokhona ngithi.
Yes, was there.
Soon as ngiceda ngahlika mina. Angifuni kwazi ukuthi what's happening. Hayi, okay.
Uthi baqedile noma njani?
Okay, engage the crowd. All right. Ngiyahlika. I'm done mina. Hayi. Sokuzwakela. Uzazongikhulumisa izinto lapho manje. Athina uNkulunkulu asiphanga into yokukhuluma nabantu. Usiphendele lento ukuthi we must sing in the front.
Yes.
Asikhulumi. Manje uzongikhetha isikhathi sithi stage. Phela manje kumele ngikhulume manje nami I must say something. Ngiyazogcokolozela abantu lapho ungazi ukuthi manje what's happening.
Enuthukiyo.
If it's good.
Yeah,
it's good because it tells you that you respect what you're doing.
Yes.
Mara mfethu yonke into mase i-challenge.
Yes.
Awusathukanga ukuthi manje uyodeliver uthini. So kusona into eningi now. The sound now is acting up. Ngapha uzizwa. Ngapha bayakhuluma. Awazi or kwenzakalani. Iverse lakho awusazi ukuthi konje.
Yeah.
Yo, yabona.
And ukhiphe lezi zinto awazi ukukhipha abathini.
Keeper lento.
Yeah.
Mina ngibamba structure. Baba bhethile bona.
Ingoma ibhale uwe.
Ibhale yimo. Follow me. Shuthi mina I'm a songwriter. So ibhale yimi ngiyazi ukuthi verse lami phelela la. If nina ni band ni thatha isikhathi anyanishiya. Ngibona mina nje. Bawu. Ungaphangisa. Phuma lapha. Ngifuna ukuzibona ngise backstage ngicedile manje. Lento le bazaza bathi khuluma. Ukhuluma uthini? Asiya wonke umuntu lento. Asiya wonke umuntu lento.
No man. That was an experience, man. It's at a gospel choir.
Beautiful, man.
Yeah.
Traveling, you know.
And meeting the gospel music industry giants.
Man, working with Abu Babu Nzimande.
Hey.
You know, labo bantu labasibazi thina. Babona sebavele lapha. Hey. Ethamalile, okay.
Yes.
Oh, wow. All right. Abo siphuthuma ke man.
Yeah,
it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
No, that's nice, man. That's nice. And therefore, the preparations of it, because you write a song, you bring it to Tshwane,
sure.
And obviously the MDs there. My apologies about that. The MDs they have to work on it.
Sure.
The producers.
Hey, Leo. Hey. Tina nibosplanela nisitshela on time must kwenza audition and everything ukuthi okay guys from here siyale.
Yeah.
Ngoba thina siza with the mentality yokuthi all right ngibanikile ingoma.
Yeah.
So icula kanje le ngoma.
Ngendlela mina ngifuna ngayo.
Yeah. Ngisho mina nginikele ingoma. So masicula sicula kanje.
Yeah.
khohle so kunama bridge manje utshela ukuthi baba you need to add a verse
Yeah.
umuntu uthina ngomena mi add verse iphelele le ngoma but no it's empty
Yeah, short.
Empty.
Yeah.
Lo muntu and what sibuya kuma awards ngane ngoma uthi empty. But at that time, I understand.
Yeah,
because now, remember, our MT, that guy is very humble, man.
Yeah.
Our MT, man, is...
Lungelo, right?
Lungelo,
yes.
That guy, man.
Yeah.
Now.
Yes.
Yeah, Lungelo akusumuntu nje, noma kudiscipline kamnandi.
Yeah, kahle.
Yeah, ula.
Yeah.
So akusumuntu uyabona owelekayo nje. Yeah, but ke sifundile and we happy about that because now you submit the song as you asked bazimamela mhlawumbe send 2 songs or and then bazimamela and then they choose one and then basiyethunyelwa ke iprepare yabona imamela ingoma iculo ifakwe nawe icule but now remember phela ngisacula e-studio manje ne group now you need to cater everyone now there's an intro ezingishilo yabona lezo zinto now manje you need to balance everyone you need to yabona i-lead imele ibe ne-space everybody must have a space ne-band nayo yonke everybody imele ku-alignwe kamnandi so later mnganami lento zama-verses zikhulunywa nje sesiyorekhoda
how
many days I think 3 days but maybe 80 verse hey yabona lawo
iveslad much
but iyashoda so now i-message ngiyayizwa mina mnikazi manje utana but I understood later I understood later ukuthi man should be shorter then
manje siyayizwa ukuthi ihlangene
because manje mangimamela lela verse mina ngiyeza ukuthi should be shorter lempahla because now the song ngimbonile yes then what empilweni yami ngihlala ngimkhonza okay what I tell us about this God what happened yabona sebakufundisa lo bangicabanga ngeze song no you don't just write you must give us a head siza kubhodi sayiclose sayivala manje wena mosiluku sikuhead manje kahle siyaphi ngoba lesiluku sile phezulu sifuna ukwazi ukuthi okay umbonile yebo wenzeni
yes
ashintsha impilo yami okay then what ngihlala ngimkhonza njalo uThixo but no can you tell us about this God and then sibone ukuthi
yes
and then here to record something here to record something nyane encane ukuthi run kule melody come up with something
in 3 days
phela mama bazokutshela ukuthi hamba ubhala hey baba wathi uyabhala usofonela ama songwriter
and into ifuna ukutravel ama gig hayi lento hlela ubhala
umbhala lento ngicedile mos the song is finished ngilethele ngoma recordiwe la manje mase ningitshela ngobhala nikhuluma enye into manje the song is fine mina mnikazi ngiyayithanda but hayi baba
verse
yo hey sound check ayenzo Rizali ayenzwa yabana amalanga ahamba mina ngize ngithi mhlambi ikhishiwe le ngoma yami ngoba manje vele ngiyabona mara kulisimo singilongikhona njalo masofika ngakuyo ngathi kunama challenges nyalo dino tomorrow Domhlolo wami
nosonilanga kuye kunama challenges
angikhumbuli ingoma ngosana ke angifazi angikhumbuli senze ingoma yami hayi vele ngibonile icetwe nje lapho tomorrow yabana ngilanga le event saying sound check in the morning azange sifike ku verse
how i-verse manje
mina ngabona kahle should vele bayikhiphile vele ingoma yami mara ngiyibona ilist le loku yangibiza ukuthi hey wena
ukhona la
lungelo mkhulu manje mphathi athi hayi mamela I trust you
bana
khuluma enye into
bana
trust me ngoba nami ngikosho ngale nto ngiyikhuluma lapho
but like did he know you before do you know each other
no I know him but obviously na but I know him
yes
but ke for lento leyo hayi nama ngizazi hayi leyo bafuna ungenza yona theater go and sing something
engayipreparanga
phela now remember ngisengijima phezulu kwe melody angirecordele yona ne so I'm not sure ukuthi bayazi ngizothini wimamela lento what if mina mangifika lapha yana ngifuna into zabo nkosana ngifuna uthoboro tom abazi ukuthi mhlambe mangifika lapha yana manje ngisengifuna esinkweni ngifuna ihlale esinkweni ke manje bazwazi lapho hey mkhulu but ke man yo hayi flowile mamela yesisheshe ngahlika kodwa ke iflowile like I was like yo after the verse ngaflow ngicedile mos ngidlule lapha entabeni
sefikile uNkulunkulu
mamela bese ngila bese ngila
so you okay fine you record it with a verse and that I can say, man, that was a nice song. That was it.
The song or the
Asizile Veslin.
okay.
Asizile Veslin. Abatize
cabanga ngikhohliwe manje. Njoba sihleli la. Manje mina ngiliqabanga ukuthi
ithize.
Konje ngitheni ngicelephi? Yabona?
And I was ngisho ukhipha
mamela manje ngisho bese ngifuna ukuceda. I think it's simple to waba ngubaba kimi.
Oh yeah.
Yezwa lento le wangithwala.
Yeah.
Yezwa lento le wangembatha.
Yeah.
So I had to go there, man. Now bese ngiba deeper ke manje ukuthi kahle okay, you need me to explain. Let me just go a little bit deeper again.
Yes.
Yeah, siye kungimbonile manje now we go into detail.
Yeah.
So it's a beautiful one.
You said you sang this song to the awards. Which awards were those?
Ingoma, ma EBA.
Yes.
Mpumalanga, yeah.
Hey, you've been the
yeah, no, I've been, yeah, man.
And I saw something on your profile.
Yeah.
Something that had to do with MTN. What was happening there?
Musa.
What was happening there?
The Bible says when the time is right,
I the Lord.
Yeah, njalo.
Yeah.
I had to see.
Yeah.
With
I.
MTN, man, that was a big deal for me. Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Oh, that one.
What was happening? What was the deal all about?
It's a Rockstar TV.
Okay.
Something has to do with international Tonton.
Okay.
Yeah, they base that side.
Okay.
But MTN, obviously, it's a international network, if I may put it that way.
Yes.
Yeah, there was a shooting they were doing.
Okay.
Now they need to do artists, different styles of artists. But I got a call. I don't know how. The ladies was like, "Hi, Gunjane, sure. Please, man, we need you to come. Yeah, It's Zone Studio. We have the recording with the MTN, and then we'll send you the details." And then I'm like, "Hey, okay. Mina ngizonje MTN just give me the date and the time.
Yes.
I'm coming. I don't want to go through anything. I'll go through everything.
Yes.
But no, it's fine. They send me a location and then I went there. So what was happening there? It's a live concert.
Okay.
But digital one.
Okay.
Yeah, so now you perform all your songs that you have.
Okay.
And then when they shoot you live. And then after that they take your show by Fagaguma, MTN Color Tunes, all these those are abazenza the MTN.
Yes.
And then basically for you to watch the show,
yes,
I think you subscribe or you do something, and then you will access.
Yes.
And but you are limited.
Yes.
The more you watch, the more you pay.
Yes.
It's something like that.
Yeah.
And then after a certain time, and then that's when there will be downloads if you want what premium and don't.
Yes.
So that project was for that Rockstar TV and then in partnership with the MTN.
Yeah.
Man,
how many zeros were there?
Yeah, but the experience.
yeah.
The experience was amazing.
Yeah.
Yo, man, the Joyous celebration were there. A lot of groups were there. Joyous were there. A few artists on the gospel side, they were there.
Yes.
I was the only one. Abangamaz, if I may put it that way. Yeah. But in Jebeslap.
Yeah.
Bengasi unknown.
Yes.
I was one of the guest artists.
Oh, where hosted the group?
They say Zone Studios bazibizana lapha siye khona ke siyo preparela yona iTshwane.
Okay.
Because the Amazon Studio ijunyana lezi lapha
in
yeah.
So it was once off thing or they call you annually?
No, there's a contract yakhona. It's an annual thing because remember lento leyo yenzakala lifetime until bachincha maybe the name MTN.
Yeah. So is it a gospel thing?
No, it's a concert.
Okay.
Piano. There's everything.
Yeah.
So now they shoot different.
Yes.
And then whenever let's say it's my show that needs to be uploaded on their, and then they put all the show, all the 12 songs live and capturing and everything. So hey man.
How did they get you?
I don't know. That's why I just got a call.
How?
Yeah, you must come. Go MTN.
You don't know how did it came about for them to choose you?
I don't know. The lady is precious. I still even talk to her even today.
Yeah.
We didn't know what happened? Where did you get my contact? At time I just received the list and then I call everyone who was on the list.
Yeah.
That one I don't want to lie. Husband, mina go say amu dila na MTN. But yeah.
Yeah.
That one, man, that one was amazing.
Yeah.
That one was amazing, man.
Yeah. So do you have any award since speaking of award? Have was
Shembagit there's award 2019.
Yeah.
Kata release umusa.
Yes.
Yeah. Say BEA.
Okay.
Awards.
Yes.
What entertainment in
Yes. Where are they located?
Be khona le.
Oh yes.
Gauteng.
Yes.
Yeah. Best gospel. Best gospel artist of 2019.
Oh.
That one. And then kwaba ama nominations. Yeah. And then Mpumalanga award saya for upcoming.
Okay.
But upcoming.
Yes.
And then the rest ama nominations. But le esifuna sikafiki.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ama crown.
Oh.
Khona lo safuna kusivimba and akanamandla.
But
Siyeza ke manje full force. Manje siyasinda ke this time.
Often Vimba, is it a competition or
no, not really. When it comes to this gospel thing, there will be some things that try to block. Baba Bizan going to make gatekeeper.
Yes.
Yeah, there are people man who don't want to see into end.
Yes.
Because you go and submit and everything. But we are born and you la.
Ay man.
Hi. Le nomination le. Hi le ngathi lena si. But again,
you don't know.
We don't know what's happening.
What's the
criteria? But we're coming. Let's give up.
Oh, so the only so you said you've got nominations only. You don't have any awards.
I do have.
Oh,
the best newcomer.
Oh,
yes, Mpumalanga.
Okay.
And then best BEA le Gauteng.
Yes.
And then Lawa let's show.
Yeah.
Okay, Ngoma I've never entered, but I did perform.
Yeah.
Then I got a.
How do you get there? Would like to be there at Ingoma. And I saw that they are into that are coming.
To be part of the nominees or
no, just to come and do the red carpet there, man.
I mean, the is very simple. I think you need to organize we talk to the organizers.
Yeah.
And then
but we'll cut that one out.
Yeah.
So we see one. And now in the gospel industry.
Yeah.
Okay, let me make it like as who would you say that if I can get a chance maybe to record or to perform with this artist at the moment, it will be a great pleasure.
Isn't a duet like?
It can be a duet, it can be the same stage, it can be you guys doing the same song, but who's that one artist that would say, Ish, I'd really like to work with this guy or this woman.
Okay. Ish. On the performing side, I think most of them I did share stage with.
Okay.
Yeah. But on the working side,
yes,
hey, these people are brilliant. I mean, at this point, we don't know who to work with.
Yeah.
But as I said, man, I've never worked with Tumi before. I love his writing. I love his discipline.
Yes.
Like, consistent.
I
love Tumi. I can work with him.
Yeah.
Oh no, Sisi. Oh man, come on, the worshipper. Cindy
Ntombele, yes. Yeah. Why them?
As I said,
yes,
I love what they're doing. The consistency, they know what they came here for.
Yeah,
you understand?
Yeah.
They understand the assignment.
Yeah.
As a minister.
Yeah.
To understand the assignment.
Yes.
Yeah. You need to understand the assignment.
Yeah.
Why you're doing this? Why are you here?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
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 Hi, Mamela. I love Mamela. You never go wrong.
Yeah.
You never go wrong.
I sit like that. Joe live. It's in the evening. It's in the evening.
Yeah.
Are you married?
Yo. God. No, Mamela. God has blessed me.
Yeah,
Mamela. I'm blessed.
Yeah.
You're blessed. Shantramont.
Yeah. No. Oh, Con. I married.
Soon to be.
Oh, soon to be.
Completely.
Yeah. I'm not sure if I can ask this one. Wait, no, it's not fair. Let's say you were to marry one gospel singer who is a lady. Who would be?
Yo, Dakia.
Who would be?
I laying goes. ngoba manje
ngibalo ongathi nasingahlanga angisho manje you've got someone like if it happened that maybe I were to meet this one mhlambe at a certain event who will it be?
All right, ithi ngilungisela qala mama mamela it's just an interview.
It's just a game,
so,
man.
Ungathatha personal
Yeah.
mama. Ngizokhuluma ngoshadile.
Yeah,
ukuze ibe safe.
Yeah.
Mngana mthi bona ukuthi I've never thought kakhulu
Yeah,
about that.
yeah,
Ukuthi
yeah.
bani.
Yeah. It's just a spontaneous question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man, I don't know. But as I said,
Yeah.
oh man, Sintintomele is amazing. Hayi. Yo. Yeke yokuthi ini. Hayi yongibulala uzuma ke manje. Kodwa ke mphathi i-question nje e-general.
Engatheni.
Yeah, umama uthathiwe so nathi sithathiwe kodwa ke
Yeah. If it was
possible.
Yeah.
And nathi mhlambe ke bongenzeka.
Yeah.
Sazi kodwa ke sixolise mama buthi hayi mfethu.
Yeah.
Kodwa ke no,
Yeah.
she's something. Yeah, she's something.
Yeah.
But I'm blessed. I don't wanna lie.
Yeah, no.
On that part.
Yes,
yeah, man.
yes.
Hey, my woman is amazing.
Yeah.
And she can sing. Trust me.
Oh.
Uzombona ngelinye ilanga uzoze enkonzini
Yeah.
naye.
Is she in a gospel industry?
No.
Oh, she's not.
Hayi nothanda ukuzisebenzela shem.
Oh.
But she sings enkonzweni.
Yes.
Angisha ngimkhiphanga la akhonza khona. Angisila abantu abanjalo.
Oh, why?
Angihambi nomndeni. Hayi mawufila ukuthi la ukhona wena you are safe.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Ngoba abafundisi laba.
I'm keeping ngoba
angaqedi kumele ngilungise yonke into phela.
Oh, but nangiceda she must.
Ngizabe nikhona lapha
ya.
KFM
ya. Yes.
Ngifuna mina abantu abazokhuluma into engayazi lapha. Ngibiza abantu engibaziyo. Ngoba laba bangazi bakhuluma into engekho. Bazabe bakhuluma nezinto engamelanga bazikhuluma. So ngibiza laba engibaziyo ukuthi abafethu lapha.
Yeah.
I'm safe.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, yeah, she's amazing. Man.
Yeah.
She's
but
amazing.
But once you get you done and therefore you're gonna take her to your church. What can you say about that?
Not really. I don't believe in that, man.
Why?
If she comes comfortable, ekhaya
Yeah.
la khonza khona.
Yeah.
Then why not, man?
Serious?
Yeah, mina nginalo umntana abantu manje kumele ngilandeli. Hayi. If I feel ukuthi baby mina la right.
Yeah.
Then why not?
Let's have that conversation. What do you think, Konokosan? What's that, Mike? What? What do you think? If it was you, and you got married to someone who churches somewhere else, do you want them to go with you, or would you say they must move from their church to come to your church? Okay. Yeah. You know what? Tell us what you think, bro. What's your view?
Uyazona nokustarta wena mfana. No. Mina ngiyakholwa ukuthi umuntu nomuntu une preferences yakhe.
Yeah.
But mina ngwane dlamini.
Yeah.
Bebe angajabula kakhulu mama alandele baba. Mama mele alandele inhloko.
Uyalandela inhloko.
Yes, mina mangithi left, mele siye left. Mangithi right. Uyabona, but alright umzala.
Yeah.
Alright mngani wami.
Yeah.
Indlela yena
afisa
ngakhona.
So if the woman yana decides ukuthi I were to ngifuna uhamba nawe baba noma ngifuna uhlala ebandleni lami, you don't have a problem with
that.
No,
I don't have a problem.
So when you go there, let's say you have one car, you're going to drop her off and therefore you come back and go to.
Yeah.
Serious?
I'm serious. I'm no problem. Ngimthatha mshe church.
Yeah.
Ngiyamlanda afternoon if I have to.
Yeah.
If bamkhapha abangani bakhe.
Yeah.
Then why not?
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. Ngizwazi ukuthi nami ngithola isikhathi ngishayela ama-GT
Yes.
Akusi wrong.
Yeah.
It isn't, you need to take advantage of it, man.
Yeah.
Ungafuna ukucikwa njalo ngicabane. Ngicabane senalo ukuthi inadinana nanitshelana. Yeah, it's normal.
Yeah.
Isingabalekile.
Yeah.
Because manje
Yeah.
thina ama-GTs sibumbeke ngenye indlela.
Yeah.
We enjoy the company, but
yes.
yafika isikhathi where you feel ukuthi azini ngishaya ujika la sibuda fast.
Yeah.
mina ngilanda umama le
Yes.
and phela umama wamlanda ukhumbula ukuthi senendlini
Yeah.
you need to
Yes,
umama
yes.
wamlanda senendlini
Yeah, akunakuthi
ithinye emajiteni imajaha phose emajiteni manje mapha amajita manje shuni ngame amagama so endlini
So
yabona lento le
Yeah.
ubani isikhathi 3
Eish.
and kusese early
Yeah.
Yabona?
Yeah.
Siyariyeza thina.
Yeah. So just serious. Speaking of Rizal,
Yeah.
your music, you're traveling
Yeah.
all around.
Yeah.
And I think mostly we see that ngathi umsebenzi wakho wenza eGauteng.
Yeah.
How do you balance that with Mama Sendlini and all that?
No, traveling is not a problem.
Yeah.
Nah, man, mamela. Traveling is not a problem.
Yeah.
Mina ngiyahambela mfethu.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why sometimes it's easy to get someone who will understand and support what you're doing. That's very important.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, because the IT industry, it's I can put it straight, it's dirty. So it's not easy for a woman to easy adjust and understand the traveling stuff. Because remember, we have team wherever we're going.
Yes.
There's females.
There's
there.
females there.
You understand?
Yes.
So it's not easy.
Yeah.
So it's up to you to make it easy for her.
Yeah.
Wethu?
Yeah.
Yeah. But mina ke mfethu mina ngiyahambela mkhulu.
Yeah.
Hayi mamela hayi mina ingeke mina ngiyahamba mina. Uyazi naye. Ngihamba.
Ngiyavela yini.
Umalanga.
Yeah.
KZN sikuphi? Sile. Mina I go.
Yeah.
I go, man.
But being in the music industry and also having like being married, I feel like it's a strife. Like man, no tempter, what do you do?
Mamela. Uyabona mangithi kwemina ngiyashada maduze.
Yeah.
In 25 months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Serious?
Mamela ngiyashada lo nyaka.
Coming, man. Are we coming?
Ngiyanibiza.
Yeah, we're coming. It's something that
Shada mina ke lo nyaka. And kuyoba iholiday ku calendar. Lo unyaka wami lo. Khathele thina abafundisi basibheka kanye. Ngoba bafika ufika uyi1. Balo bakubuza ukuthi nceke kusamba kahle. So, mina sikhala explain. Ukuthi no mphathi I'm safe. Hayi. So, mina sikhiphe sikhatha nje le case.
Yeah. Kahle the case ungashaya.
Case lento le ngoba manje hey futhi indoda KZN abangiphahlaza mangale. Abadlala abafundisi bangale. Nceke kusamba kahle makhulu kakhuluma. Sika adjust. Sikenzele yonke into. Hey, nje somdala manje. It's safe for you to travel alone.
Yeah.
To come to conferences. Hayi mawushipha wethu lawo nama asha wethu awekho safe.
Yeah.
So uyabona?
Yeah.
I understand them.
Yeah.
I understand them.
Yeah.
Sesikhulile manje mfethu hey man sesibadala. Yazi you know how nice it is to get an opportunity to say ahambi ngedwa.
Yeah.
Hey sazoniphahlaza ngale. Hey ngisazonenza busy. Noma bathi ku MC mabathi kunemoto epake kabi before I say anything ngizala no like to take this opportunity ngibingelela umama sukumama ngamba kubona hey sisifile nathi siyeza sila bese khani ngikhuluma ukuthi bazana bathi kunemoto evale ngithi kunemoto emekabi ipholo elimhlophe baba sicela ushift imoto ungahlala phansi
Mama.
Hayi ngeke phela angihambi ngedwa hey
Ungaphela.
ayisifile yo noma ufika lapha bokuhlalisa endaweni yakho uyabona ukuthi there's a seat here yeah bakutshela ukuthi
yeah,
this seat needs to be occupied.
Yes.
Yeah, sometimes man thina futhi musicians hey kunzima ngazi ngazakalana but ke sizoyichacha the case. Not sesinamahloni of getting married and showing off our women or anything. Okay, I don't like to expose everything to my media and don't.
Yeah, mara bazozwela ungashada.
Yo. Ngicela ungidrive drop lapha ku Rizal. I don't feel like driving today. Yazi yobathola bapake ngapha.
And he's driving BMW by the way. Driving the BMW. Yeah.
Abonkosana balibonanga yimi. Hayi ngiyabathola bami ngaphandle just ngena phakathi. Ngishiye lapha ya.
Yeah, drive.
Ahlika umama yabona.
Yeah.
Siyeza.
Nendandathu.
Woo. Ngiyolongi la. Babona ukuthi hey konakele.
Yeah, fees.
But it's nice, man.
Yeah,
you know, I've been observing a lot of musicians who
are married.
Man.
Yeah.
Like it hasn't. Let generation yet we need to stand up man.
Yes.
Yeah, and imagine it's gospel, man.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, it's a must.
It's a must.
No must ngabalekele lento le ayibukeki inhle.
Yeah.
A minister. Hayi uthini lo muntu yena walokeza alokuhamba ewanji. hayi yabona abonkosana bagcoka kanjani
yeah
abonkosana bafika lapha amahanki ndoda
yeah
so ingozi lento leyo ngoba manje akuso wonke umuntu oqinile abantwana abantu bakhoza kabuhlungu so we need to break that ngoba manje
yeah
kuthiwa yithi
yeah
and akusiyithi
yeah
not we need to look good at the end of the day
Yes,
but
yes.
it's wrong for us especially at this age
ish
lo nyaka lo madoda engenenza busy
ish
no
so do you think because there are people who don't believe that marriage has to do with an age.
hayi uyenzani emshadweni una 40 khani uqala uqalani lapho sisaseklile masibheki kuma varsity yabantwana wena ukhani ufuna ukungena uyenzani 40 shukela ama high blood maningi ke lapho
Yeah.
hayi futhi generation yethu yayigulele nje ma high blood lapho mamela yo
Unesikhathi ufuna ukungena emshadweni.
uyenzani ngoba mawubuya ku honeymoon I divorce lezi zinto lezi you need to be very careful
Yeah,
hayi mamela
yeah.
big generation yethu divorce kanjani
Yeah.
40 uyapi life begins at 40 akule begin la hayi kule uyabona abomamethu
Yeah.
uyababona namanje ukuthi they still got it
Yeah.
oh thina mamela thina mfana thina si minus 40 yo
So age, it has to do with the number, with an age.
mamela 40 mfana phela ku 40 soku cruise man
Yeah.
ku 40 yo
Yeah.
lapho sen enjoy yabona senibhekile manje itshalo ukuthi abantu bakhulile manje
Yeah.
seni stress into serious abo varsity into
Above
engishoyo
it, yeah.
wona soqala akuna honeymoon stage mos 40 khona ikona honeymoon stage 40 khani nofuna ba honeymoon stage 40 lo sisi lo umtholaphi loyo olinde wena 40 ha ayi ngeke uzabona ngakho wena
So, but there are people who are watching there who are 40 years who are not
no
married.
it's not wrong
Yeah.
ukuthi ube single
Yes.
mhlambi uyathanda wena but sengikhulumela thina
Yeah.
abaku Kristu hayi ngeke bafethu
Bangashadile.
baba usiphile lento eyethu
Yeah.
uthe kwethu konke who finds a wife finds a good thing lisho njalo
Yes.
my good thing when uyifuna so una 40 yo phela mabathi life begins at 40 bachaza ukuthi
Yeah.
that's when ke manje yabona
Mm.
uba careful lento edlayo
Yeah.
wena khani yoqala ufuna kama incamncile lapha ufuna kama ice cream into ongasamela nguzidle
Yeah.
ufuna kama inini high blood yakhe khali phezulu ngeke 40
Ndeshukela.
that's what I'm saying to you ukuthi thina generation yethu fethu
Yeah.
thina sakula
Yeah.
thina 30 nje 35 high blood yakho sinenkinga
Yeah.
yabona elubhasa wabheka yabona masuku njalo kuyingozi usekho wena bheka mntana abantu mela azodila nawe
Yeah.
age of 40 phela bona 40 yena una ngakho una 35
Yeah.
yabona no imagine una 40 wena mhlambe una 35
35. Yeah.
or 38
Yeah.
yabona uku stage where she is yabona
Yeah.
wena vele 5 minutes to so ingozi so
That's okay, good man. And we saw you, man. You also on Tulas MTV at some point.
oh yeah
You went there just once off, or
no Tulas we know each other from back then.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, each and every time bengithi mangibize we JNF Lombat
Yeah.
besihlala ngidibana na kuyena sadlala then.
Oh, yes.
And then when he started this whole TV thing, I was the first artist to be invited. I think that episode is the one that it's a very long one. It's a very old one, yeah.
Yeah.
I was the first artist to be called. Because say zone akisakhumbula zone out bakathi Tulas TV then.
Yes.
Yeah. And then get the timing ngibuyela on the second time.
Yes.
It was just like a friendly talk, and then we find ourselves as why when are you coming? And then I went there, and then I did the songs, and then yeah.
Did it have an impact on your career?
No. Oh, Baba, Mamela, Tulas TV is something else.
Yeah.
Tulas TV is not just a program or TV.
Yes,
man. That
yes.
guy, Tulas.
Yeah.
He worked, man.
Yeah.
Craft Alum Chite, it's amazing.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
And the style of music it's
Yes.
like I love him. Uhamba ngesikhathi.
His card. Yes.
He understands what the media needs or the industry needs
Yeah,
at some time. But
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, I did some
Yeah.
impact on my career. I don't wanna lie, man. I don't wanna lie. Even on the fan side.
Yes.
Yeah.
You got the gigs.
Mamela.
Yeah.
Manje ngisamele ngifunde yabona. Into zabo lezi zabonkosana.
Sama preach.
Zabonkosana zizulula kakhulu. Afana mamela. Nethi nje uNkulunkulu akangiphangi rhythm. Mele unkosana athi kungilula ngibona ukuthi nami.
Also you're not umuntu wesinto kahle kahle.
Westend.
Yeah.
No, Westend I can sing it, but I can't dance the way you do, guys.
Awazi uqhweqa.
Khona lento. Hayi. Nganami lento lo yabona ngathi ozala ibambe kanje. Ikuyi ugijima nayo. Manje ngifuna ukuyimuncwa lento. Angicabanga ke mina ngishayela yashandisa. Hayi avithiza. Angigijima nayo la. Ayaphela ishow lapho. Mic down.
Cha one way.
Mamela. And ngifuna lesilule. Ngana mesha lento. Unkosana wana mathambo or ba normal. Mina ngaba fast nje. But nje no man, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. You need to know all these things, especially when you're a musician.
Yes.
Yeah, you need to know, man. You need to be versatile, man.
Yeah. What can you say about versatility? The importance of versatility, because we having obvious. I'm not sure if it's still there, but actually it's still there. In the Bayetende and contemporary that lo matosatosana nje.
So kulwisana nje ngento engekho. At the same time sibheke endaweni eyi-one, man. This is art. At the end of the day, it's art. Ukuthi ubani ucula ijazz, ubani uyenza ithomo inini. Listen, into engibhorayo mina about this whole thing ukugcekana. I don't like that. Because uNkulunkulu munye.
Yes, true.
Ukuthi ucula ngeEnglish. Mina ngicula ngesizulu akunamehluko. Futhi lesizulu ngathi yezwakala kahle. Ngoba iyakhona. It's simple. Wonke umuntu uyayizwa. So ungathi wena ngoba wena usebenzisa uthe, mina ngisebenzisa uthe. Into eyi-one yafana. But you need to be versatile at the end of the day, so that it could be easy for other musicians ukusebenza nawe. Angeke ucula isithende uziyoshona. It's impossible. There will be new sounds that will come before you after stand, and then uzoyenza njani. You understand? Because isithende singeneni in later.
Yes,
you know?
True.
And everybody has to know it. Because you can't be, you are holy. Cabanga ndoda lentwana le ihleli lapha ku Roland lapha ku Medale. Holy, you are holy. Intwana iyakufuna yona. Yabona? Manje ekutholi. Awuthi akakwazi ukudlala keyboard. Uyakwazi. But now when ufuna into angekwazi ukunikena ngaleso sikhathi. Because khona amajita who are gifted when it come to kuma keys. Kusema keyboard player. No, they're gifted. They understand lento abayizele. So lo muntu uzokudlalela kanjani? Because manje umtshela abo 7, nomtshela abo 7.
Yena udlala keyboard.
Yena he's my man, ukwazi ukudlala keyboard. Akakwazi into umtshela zona manje ukuthi uyafuna minor. No, flat. Yabona? So you need to know ukuthi mangibizwe enkonzweni ethize, futhi le yabashale. You need to know when mawubizwe enkonzweni ethize, investigate about the church, thola information ukuthi lapha ithende kuphela. And then noma ngeza ne keyboard player yakho. You can't do a hill song. Esontweni elenza itende. Hayi.
Uyala.
Hayi ngeke. Aseke usukela abantu babanda. You can't. It's impossible. Cabanga mazofika itende azinto emnandi ngalo yini. Noma ungafika overseas mkhulu. Umukhulu.
Zeng.
Khona lamathini angazi bawabizana. Yizo lento le
imadolini
kanya igaqa lomlungu. Umbona ukuthi yemsanganisa lento I understand lento izwa la. Yethola lento le. That's African. Mamela. That's our sound. That's why it's not easy for you to go overseas and do what they do, man. One biza wenza ngikwazi kuyenza better than you. Ngifuna lo msindo this noise enyenza. What's that? And then you'll see baba. You'll move. So we need to understand and support each other. Contemporary is beautiful, man. These people they can sing. Nicely so. And you know, and then nangapha kuthende bayacula. Yes.
Would you say, man, the like for instance, this thing of Italian contemporary, it can contribute in you connecting spiritual. Like I mean, if you're used to lomsindo wetende, and therefore now you're struggling to connect to when it's contemporary, it's like I'm struggling. I'm trying to connect, but it's like I'm struggling.
I think the issue is remember contemporary. There's a lot of chord work.
Yes.
uyathola and dynamics uyabona ikubhizi uyabona and umuntu wethende yo ndoda yo mile kisi yo yam yo mele we manje yezwa lento le yevi kuphi lento le so imagine lo muntu lo maqedwe kumele uthi uhambe uminsabo where is your mercy towards me uyathola kuye kubhizi ngoba manje angazi kanjani mngana akusi easy to umuntu ojwayele itende kube lula for yena ukuthi aconnect ne contempo yathola.
Let's talk about you
mina mngana yonke into hayi mina ungithi pia wash ungiletha ngapha nyamamela ungiletha yes I can't sing as good as they can yabona but I can do it yabona but nje into ebalekile ngimangalela mangithi sinkwa isinkwa is tradition, it's something wrong ayislayiswanga lento le bakunika njalo yabona mina man tradition man yo yebo uNkulunkulu sizwa sonke mkhulu but
tradition
angisho manje umuntu mele usheshe sikuzwe mina ngifuna ukukuzwa ngifuna ukukufuna ngifuna ukukuzwa mawukhamisa ngizwe ukuthi manje
into esekhale
yezwa lento le so but ke sizofunda ayikho enye into we need to learn lento lesiyisebenzise because mfana if you implement that kind of sound out of the country ke lento yilento abayifunayo when they call you they want you to give them what they don't have manje ususinika siyayazi lento manje singakuphinde singakunikisa le school ikenzele lento uyabona but give us man there is this manje mkhulu mfana South Africans
true
siyaphi esilungwini sila hlala esinkweni la
asikithi
lento take it home and sibekele la kulula service hamba mnana umfundisi ufika vele nje vela siyamana naye uyashumayela ngoba kumele ashumayele but sicedile yabona very simple.
Besides music, is there anything that you're doing besides music, is there anything that you're pushing that someone who follows you that they don't know or that they feel like that you think maybe they would like to know about
artist avilapha artist no mina I'm working ngiyazisebenzela ngoba manje you know what's the problem I prayed ngathi uNkulunkulu can you give me something that will give me imali ne so that whenever I get invitations sekuloku sime ngaphandle silinde envelope engeke zize you know just help me find something that will finance my gift. You understand? Because there are invitations that wants you to come, but because they can't afford you, then someone will be zelo yena akasasindanga. Because the invitation is ngoba sifuna ube la.
Yes.
Whatever that made that person ukuthi acabange ngawe. Then that's something. So we ask with Baba, just give us something that will help us financially. That will finance our gift. So that whenever we get invitations, let's not strain people who can't afford what we're giving. I can finance myself. Ngifike lapho kuwe ngikhonze kube mnandi ngihambe. I did my assignment. Because manje we can't be waiting. Uyabona yikho lento elindile but you are waiting. Easy. So now my send them a text. You can't be doing that. We are invited. It's your gift, you understand. Meludle kuyona we understand. But is it possible ukuthi uthole into efuna la ukhona? It's impossible. So my things would pendulana nomfundisi, it's wrong. So find something that will finance you. So that whenever you get an invitation, finance your trip, finance whatever. And then we enter into inzayo lapha. And then you go home. If khona into zokulandela. That's what I prayed for. Unkulunkulu give me a job or anything that will finance my gift. So that when I'm invited, I just go and minister and then come back. Because now we reject a lot of invitations because we feel good about afford. But now remember the assignment I send because I was zelanga mina lapha esontweni. There is someone who will be we need to understand into le futhi as ministers. Akunomfundisi makubiza ukubiza ngoba beyacabanga uthe macabanga revival igama lakho lafika, there's a reason why lifikile. Uyathola? That means your service can save someone. Uyathola into le. If you can understand that kutasizelanga lapha ukuyobasana kubaswa. When you get there you minister, people will get saved, bayaphuma bayasinda abanye bayaphila. Mhlawumbe isolution umuntu ofuna ukuyibulala after the service. You don't know. Umile ngaphandle wena ulinda imali. I can't go to stage without my payment. We understand, but now where are you now? Check the environment. Qala ukuphi manje? Usukele Hackleback, you drove 1 hour 30 minutes to here, and then you can't go to stage because now they didn't give you the remaining balance.
Yeah, no. Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Then what? No, it's a question. You are jigger.
What do you do? Yeah.
Hey, when's done? No, I'm going back home. Okay.
Go back.
All right, it's fine.
So I think everyone has every musician has a story about about being exploited, I can say, in their career.
Yeah.
Because it's I feel like it's a journey, man. Everyone gets exploited.
Yeah. Listen to me.
Yeah.
When you know, there's a place, Orange Farm. You know, you can get something like 50 rand. I want 50 rand. Yama coins. By if I go envelope. And you are driver, this is So if you are to that level, you go to understand and then you hambe, then why not?
Yeah.
So if yo, as mayo, driving la.
Yeah.
Oh, in la. And the people back bonilula.
Yes.
Now in the Shire, so now you're not respecting people who are following you.
Yes.
I say also Sindisa. There are people who came because they saw you on the poster.
On the poster.
So what are you saying about those people? You don't care about people when this is my gift to you.
Yeah.
But now what was the agreement? We'll see when you get here.
Yeah.
So I didn't promise you anything.
Yeah.
We'll see when you get here. So we'll see when you get here. Chances are high that you won't get anything.
Ishmael, why are you doing this, guys? Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
But we learn along the way.
Yeah.
But I want to VTs. Hi, Baba. Yo. Hey, I guess for the right. But shall feel good.
Yeah. Yeah. And ngenkathi ungasebenzanga for sure you feeling the pain, eh? Someone calls you and then now they don't pay you or they don't give you what they promised to give you.
But that thing is painful. But now you need to read the lines during a conversation.
Yeah.
Am I gonna get imali mangifika or routine?
Yeah.
Ikhona answer lapho ukuthi nje thina ngisho masuke mathi we will see when you get here. And then singale nje okay.
Yeah.
But you even don't know ukuthi ukunika malini.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, we need to have money at the end of the day. Yes, it's fun, this thing it's umsebenzi.
Yeah.
We need to take care of our families. Yes. We have a lot of reasons, man.
Yes.
But effect.
Yeah.
Our churches must check majority.
Yeah.
Financially, men are not doing well. That's all.
Yeah.
Makunikelo kulela banje makuthiwa kubhadelwe leya Sunday 8,000 rand.
Sure.
When ufuna 5,000 or malini ngoba nathi sachasha phela sidlala.
Yeah.
5,000 alone, 10,000 with my keyboard. Siyabona lezo zinto.
Yes.
But uchacha bani? Because now that's why you need to check who's inviting you.
Yeah.
You know? And if kuvuma, people they're not taking care of ilentole yokulalela the inner voice. If kuvuma,
yes,
khona invitation uba kumuntu angangiphatha but kunendethi
yeah. Yes, true.
Uyathola?
Yeah.
Mara uyi. Check what happened after. Yabona? There are things that we need to listen to, man. Khona invitation uba uthi because ngathi kana nemali petrol kanje labantu baba mara kunendethi and the trip will be successful. Someone in the crowd might finance you're traveling. I think thank you so much, man. As in, mina sengiyi right.
Yeah.
1,000.
Yeah.
Yabona? So it's not a shame fetelenti nzima futhi. Vele futhi angeke bangizwe. Abanye bakumamela ngama emotions.
Ngama emotions, true.
Uyagula lo. Ngikuli. Mina I understand. I've been there. I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You might don't know me. I understand.
Yes.
But I know.
Yeah.
You can travel. Come from here to Nelspruit has a view. Yeah? Kule 7 days lapha ya. Bavele bakunike imali petrol baphume ku. Shana bakunike imali ama toll gate. Bakunike exact bayazi ngibuyela imali from that side coming here.
Yeah.
Bayazi ukuthi spend imali ukuza.
Yeah.
Bakunike nje. So uzabona nawe la endleleni bakufuqa ngama avocado ama banana. Uzajala endleleni ubuye.
Yes.
But you did a job though.
Yeah.
You did serve people.
Yes.
Babusekile bapholile.
Yeah.
When you did whatever you did. And check. Ayikho into ezobabhlungu ngale ndlela le ukuthi uyeva man ukuthi endlela along the way we were right.
Yeah.
Yabona?
Yeah.
Yes, but we're not promoting ukuthi abafundisi abadlala ngama musicians.
Yes.
But sometimes you need to check, man.
Yeah.
Are they going to afford me? Not to say they call you because why bank busy and they can't afford me.
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you calling yourself a worshipper or a minister?
Yeah.
Then go and minister.
Yeah.
Would you take care of my things, then I'll take care of yours.
Yeah.
Akazanga athi which things ziphi azanga khuluma izinto ezile. Uthe my things should yonke into include yena or involve yena. Do it.
Yeah.
And then he will take care of your things.
Yes.
Asinakule sifuna le. Alingenele 10 manje.
Yeah.
Awuthi lo muntu. Yabona?
Yeah.
And I'll save wena somehow, man.
Yes.
Ngithola le 10.
Yeah.
Mangisuka la ngisayini. Hayi manje. La. Ngihamba Tuesday. Guys, we need to be careful. Like,
Yeah.
But again,
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm at the stage where I'm not saying you're right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm working.
Yeah.
So ngiyenzayo.
Yeah.
Phuma ngiyahamba.
What's your mission, man, with your ministry?
Yo, man. Yo. Yazi mfethu. Simple mina into engifuna ukuyizuza basho njalo ne.
Yeah.
Ukuyizuza, man, to win those souls.
Yeah.
Yeah, who are lost, man. There are people who are lost and they can't hear the word.
Yes.
But maybe, because music can get in places where, I don't know, maybe preaching can't get to.
Yeah.
Because music is deep, man. Music is soulful, man. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi with that I can win a lot of people, man.
Yes.
Lot of people.
Yes.
By ministering only.
Yeah.
We understand. So that's why ngibe nalento ukuthi if I can get imali kuphela.
Yeah.
That will put me in places where people they can't afford me to get to.
Yeah.
And just minister, man.
Yeah.
Just minister to those people. There are people who need music that will talk to their hearts.
Yes.
True.
Yeah.
Because manje akusiwo wonke umuntu ozelizwi.
Yeah.
Yathola?
Yeah.
Yeah. Khona abanye abantu after i-worship bahamba. Because they done their service is over.
Yeah.
Khona abantu abazelizwi.
Yeah.
They will wait until umfundisi say something. So we need to accommodate everyone.
Yes.
You understand? And sicela uNkulunkulu asipha amandla and write relevant songs.
Yeah.
That will speak to people.
Yeah.
And direct it to those people.
Yeah.
Let's not release songs because of releasing.
Yeah.
Yes, we have good talents and voices, but at the end of the day, that thing doesn't help anyone. What are you saying with those voices?
Yeah.
Are you saying something or you just singing? Yeah, but let's not sing because of we can sing.
Yeah. There's someone there who's watching. They don't know whom Zake is. They want to listen to your music. Where do we get your music?
My music is all over my digital platform, Ganam.
Yeah.
And now we thank God we have a TikTok. It's very simple. We load the normal just in 30 seconds.
30 seconds, yes.
But we there. My music is out there.
Yes.
I'm a feature alap. Just type Mzoke Ngubeni and then everything will just pop up.
What is that? It's in process at the moment. Are you planning a live recording? Are you planning to release a single? What is that? It's in process at the moment.
There's EP Mganam.
Okay.
That I did with the Tulas.
Okay.
I need to release that one.
Okay.
It's only 4 songs.
All right.
I'm a hymn,
Yes.
I wanted to do hymn.
Okay.
I'm a hymn Zinyana.
Yes.
Yeah, just to low down a bit.
Yeah.
And see.
When are they coming out?
I haven't set a date yet.
Yeah.
As in Shilo when I'm fit. As is delay him.
Yeah.
But in I think it's a cover. I just need to take make a shooting for a cover.
Yes.
That's the only thing in Lindy.
Yeah.
But after that, and then the song can be released.
Yeah. Why don't like to release music, man? You don't feel like it contributes on your maybe on your music career, or you don't feel like it contributes on your mission, or reaching your mission, or on your vision?
As I said, I love being a Bantuin.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I'm ministering and then basically say record you and
yes,
it's out there.
Yes.
Then I think I'll do that than going to studio or record whatever DVD, because sometimes you can make a DVD, but it will take time to come out because of finances. And then now and then now your ministry at step back.
Yeah.
I mean, that's why I'm not in a rush of doing anything.
Yeah.
Where I can interact.
Yes.
But it's coming.
Yeah.
Very much I'm on a push. Like it's a must for me to release.
Yes.
It's way long.
Yeah.
It's way long.
Yeah.
So it's a must for me to release.
Yes.
Because there are people. In fact, there are people who are fair follow and they support you. But by phone land, okay, we see we are here, but man, feeling something different, but I can't find. I always find same thing. So release EP.
EP is coming, guys. EP is coming.
It's gonna be. It's Mamela, Mahim Lapo. We just worshiping, man, and there's no guitar. There's nothing there. It's me and the keys. Mamela manje still anayo. 24/7. Manje Mamela akadli.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's coming.
What can you say to our viewers, man? Give them a word of the day, man. A word of the night.
Oh, Fetch.
A word to start the morning with.
Mamela, God is good, man. Hayi bafethu kunento singayibongi thina nje lokho kuvuka. You know, sometimes leso sibonga into ezilekudeni. Lokho kuvuka, man. Leso sinkwa leso okwazile ukuba naso today or leyo 10 rand okwazile ukuyenza today or kusasa ekseni. Whatever plan onayo, make sure that when you wake up, man, ask him to lead whatever hustle you're planning to do on the day. And talk to him, man. I say, hey, I mean, wake up. Thank you so much, man. I'm awake. My family is right. I was guided again for to where to from here. And you know. Asazi manje masiphuma la ukuthi are we going to survive or not, but please just guide us from here where to, you know, because I don't know ukuthi ngiyaphi manje ngiyahasila, you know, for my kids, for me, or ngiyofuna umsebenzi, or ngiyakuda job interview or whatever engiyobe ngiyoyenza ngaleso sikhathi. Just guide me, man, and akhanye, you know, mababone wena mangena, let them see you in me, you know. You've been in multiple choirs, as you said. Which are those? Besides Gospel Choir? The City Show Choir, the Tutuza Serenade. Maibwe Sakile. What is this? No, I think. You will pay.
What can you say about being in a choir, man? Just quickly, what can you say about being in a choir? What experience that you've got in a choir, and that you think it's a good experience that each and every music or upcoming artist should undergo?
I think it makes you easy for you to work with a lot of people. Work in a group. That's the only thing. And the access and aligner on the tone side. Makes you to understand the tone and the difference of tones. You know how to do harmonies. You know how to change keys to the next one. How to align with another voice. You want to learn to this. It's easy for you to understand. Now I'm doing alto. Now I'm doing tenor. Oh no, she's soprano. For you to
understand
lezo zinto lezo. So kusebenza nje ne group yasiza kakhulu. Because ibanzima lento mongakazi ufike to that point. But when you have that background of working with a group, it's much easier for you to work with other people. And get the melody you want.
Get them, and it's also easier to get there where you want to when you work with a group, man. That's Mzwakhe Ngubeni, man. And I wanted to ask you about this one, but I don't know how will it be. But well, you've been on TV, bro. You've been on TV, right?
Yeah.
Which show were those? What was happening?
No, I have a project with Ukamba Production, the one that does Imizwilili.
Okay.
I get my TV appearance. Like about Trace and all those TV stations where I just submit my music and
you've been on the game, bro.
Man.
You've been on the game. Yeah. So you've been in fact.
It's been long. And then now they changed it to a choir featuring an artist. There's a love band now. They are no longer doing the Antole choir. No, now they just wanted to make it more.
Okay. All right. Have you ever think of going back?
No, man. But if I'm featured, I can go.
Yes.
I don't mind working now, but it's beautiful though.
Do you think you working with a group after Tshwane?
Be a member.
Yes.
Oh yeah. If spirit sangufuna nyaya.
Yeah.
Uyasi nyaya.
Yeah.
Bonke.
Yeah.
I can.
Which means it's nice being in a group, eh?
Yeah, no, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Ngoba manje you're meeting a lot of people, different characters,
Traveling
and experiencing a lot of things. Nje.
Yeah,
So it's
yeah,
nice sometimes
yeah.
ukubana that information and
yeah.
it keeps an hour.
Yeah. Do you know Mphathi with Sonic Gospel Choir in a personal level? What could you say about him?
Ubani Bablanga.
Yeah.
Bablanga, you know. No man, Simbizu Baba at the end of the day.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
and we thank him for the opportunity.
Yeah.
And the things he's doing for us with at least people was born.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
that's
yes.
something, man. That's
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
No one will be perfect at the end of the day.
Yes.
So we can't be focusing on that.
Yeah.
So we thank him for the opportunity.
Yeah. Hey, that's Mzwakhe Ngubeni, man. And if you can get an opportunity, if uNkulunkulu manje ngathi ngiyakubiza ngifuna ube ngo-apostle, ngifuna ube ngo-bishop or ngifuna ube yini, would you accept the calling?
Ngeke.
Why?
Hayi. Lele lami officially right. Ngimtshela ngi time la right out yami.
You don't want to be a pastor?
Ngeke lapho.
What's wrong, bro?
Baba, ngi-right. Thank you. Lapho ngi-right.
Yeah.
Time hayi leyo mfethu ayingeke. Ngama noNkulunkulu simini yonke it's fine. Le yabo apostle. Fivefold ministry.
Yeah.
Right mina. Right. Unless akwazi ukuchintsha ke indaba ukuthi ngikwazi ukukhuluma. Mina ngikwazi ukukhuluma, I don't know. Talking like this and talking to the congregation is a two different things. Yo. Ngathi ngafika ucule lapho ngaloku ubulisa ucula. Kiko hambe. But ke mfana
That's interesting.
ukhulumani? Hayi.
Yeah.
Yiko mathisi ugcina ngithethisa abantu ngoba manje awuzazi uthini.
Yeah.
Thula. Q in. Cula. Hlika. Ilena ngikhala ngisho le ngoba manje
Thethisa abantu.
the music ongakhona ukukhuluma kuwo.
Yeah.
Ufuna ukusibasa la manje akusabaseki na keyboard ayikhala. Uthini ebantwini? Harmonize.
Yeah.
Engage with the crowd.
Yes.
Hlika.
Kakhulu.
Bakhona abaphiwe
Ekhulumeni.
Ntombela. Hawu.
Awu.
Umama
Ntombela.
baphiwe.
Phela mshado.
Mama hanya mncoma nje. Kodwa ke
Yeah.
hawu.
Yeah.
Phiwe la mama.
Yeah.
Hayi phela lapha yana ndoda uzuma lapha yana mamela. Izulu lehle lonke lathi mbu. Ndoda le blessed. Mara siyeza. We coming. Linda wena.
Live on KKFM and the producer is looking producing payang ngelinye ilihlo.
Yeah, no, it's called Semphathi. It's this card man.
Live on KKFM and Vuga Ndoda, you know the story. That was Mzwakhe Ngubeni, and for sure, obvious, there's no way you didn't like this guy. There's no way, man. There's no way you didn't like this guy. So they want to follow you, bro. They want to follow you. Where do they go?
Facebook page is Mzwakhe the Worship Ngubeni.
Yeah.
Private one Mzwakhe Ngubeni.
Yeah.
Instagram Mzwakhe @Ngubeni.
Yes.
Yini TikTok
Yes.
Mzwakhe the Worshipper.
Yeah. To miss. Kosiam. That's how we wrap up our episode, man, with Mzwakhe Ngubeni, and hopefully it was informative and it was full of knowledge, hopefully, and you got to know what and not what who Mzwakhe is, and you Nimzwile who he would marry if
Yeah, and easy. And I'm not coming.
Live on KKFM, and thank you for watching, and make sure that you like and subscribe on our pages there on the screen. You know the story, KKFM Vuga Ndoda. Man,